Welcome back to the show. I'm Gert Swanson. If the outside of your house is looking a little rough these days, you may think a big fix could be costly, but it may just need a wave of cleaning. From our sponsor, Johnny Tsunami. When it comes to the exterior cleaning of your home, Johnny Tsunami gets down and dirty. Whether it's pressure washing walkways and decks, making your siding shine, attacking the moss on your roof, or scouring your gutters, these guys do it all. Johnny Tsunami's here. What are you guys going to be doing today?
Yeah, so looking at it, it looks like we're probably going to be cleaning out those gutters there.
Yeah, for sure.
Sweeping off the roof, light sweeping. Be spraying down our sodium hypochlorite solution and preventative, and then treating the siding with the same solution.
You guys better get busy. That's a lot of moss up there.
Yeah, it's going to be a good day.
There's so much moss on the roof, it looks like a carpet. This stuff has to go.
What will happen is the moss will kind of start to grow underneath the composition tiles, and that can kind of end up putting the tiles in an upward motion, and it can start to leak and actually affect the plywood underneath the roof.
And if that happens,
that's an expensive problem.
And nobody knows that better than the homeowner, Greg Miller.
The roof's kind of a disaster a little bit. I've let it go. You can probably see that. The moss is kind of taken over. I just don't have time to deal with any of it. I mean, it's just kind of crazy. I don't want to get up on the roof. You know, it's a little wet. You know, to me, it's like not worth it. So I'd rather have somebody, a professional, you know, take care of that for me.
Within minutes, Johnny Tsunami got busy.
I'm just doing a light sweeping of all the moss that's up here. I'm just trying to get most of the bigger clumps off, so whenever we do our soft wash treatment, all the stuff that's underneath the shingles will die and it'll be a happy roof.
Johnny Tsunami is super careful when it comes to sweeping and cleaning your roof. Once the heavy moss was removed, the gutters came next. They were a mess.
The gutters are completely full. I mean, getting up there to kind of clean them out is just not something I really want to do. A good buddy of mine actually was taking down a chimney the other day, and he told me, he's like, I almost fell off. And I'm like, dude, don't do that. So I'm not going to be that guy. I'm going to call the professionals.
So we're just cleaning out the gutters. As you can see, we're kind of next to a tree here, so there's a lot of debris that just falls in the gutters. The main concern is making sure we're unclogging the downspouts and getting all the debris out so they're not going to weight down and actually pull away from the fascia board.
Once the heavy debris was out of the gutters and off the roof, Johnny Tsunami sprays the shingles with a special environmentally friendly solution.
What it is it's a moss treatment. So what it's going to do is it's going to kill off the moss today. It'll kind of turn it to a white-brown color. And then over about 3 to 6 months, the moss will weather off and decompose. So that's the benefit of not doing any physical force to the roof. And then also it acts as a preventative, usually for about 3 to 5 years.
A short time later, Johnny Tsunami was all wrapped up. Clean gutters and a sparkling roof. All right, Greg, check out your roof, man. It almost looks spotless.
Wow. I mean, are you kidding me?
Doesn't that look nice?
It doesn't even look like the same roof. It barely looks like the same house. I couldn't be happier. I mean, there used to be moss there, and now it's completely clean. Like, dude.
And your gutters are gorgeous.
I know. Like, well, that's even better. I'm like blown away by the roof. I can't believe it. I mean, this is fantastic. I couldn't be happier. Those guys at Johnny Tsunami, whatever they did,
yeah.
I mean, that's amazing. I'm super happy.
You gotta love Johnny Tsunami.
It's absolutely rewarding just seeing the work that you've completed. And then also it's nice to see a happy customer too. A lot of times they express how happy they are that have the services done that they might not have been able to do.
Right now, for Seattle Refined viewers, Johnny Tsunami is offering up to $75 off any exterior cleaning service, and you can save more when you bundle. Call the number there on your screen, 206-899-0003 to learn more.